Wake up one morning, you check your phone, and you notice something unexpected. You made money while you were sleeping. No boss, no overtime, no extra shifts. Just income quietly building in the background. Sounds unrealistic? Well, in 2026, it is slowly becoming normal, and the people doing it are not millionaires, influencers, or tech geniuses. They are students, office workers, parents, and everyday people. Today, I want to show you realistic side hustles that beginners are starting right now. Not hype, not another get-rich-quick promise. Just practical ways ordinary people are earning extra income. Before we talk about the opportunities, let us understand why side hustles are exploding right now. Life is getting expensive. Rent is higher, groceries cost more, and salaries often stay the same. So people are starting to ask a simple question: what if I did not rely on just one income? That one question has created a new mindset. Instead of waiting for a raise, people are building small income streams on the side, and the internet has made this easier than ever before. You don't need a big investment. Sometimes all you need is a skill, a laptop, and consistency. One of the fastest growing side hustles in 2026 is digital services. Things like graphic design, video editing, social media content, logo design. Businesses everywhere need these things, but many small companies can't afford full-time designers, so they hire freelancers. Even beginners are starting small. One logo, one Instagram post, one YouTube thumbnail, and slowly it can turn into consistent income. The key is simple. Start small, improve your skill, build a few happy clients. Now here's something interesting. In the past, only celebrities created content, but today, anyone can. YouTube channels, Instagram pages, short videos, and the topic doesn't need to be complicated. People build audiences around personal finance, productivity, daily routines, or learning new skills. At first, you might earn nothing, but if you stay consistent, content can turn into real opportunities. Ad revenue, brand deals, affiliate income, and suddenly that small project becomes a real income stream. Here's something most people don't realize. You probably know something valuable. Maybe it's Excel, Photoshop, photography, study techniques, or fitness routines. There are millions of people online who want to learn exactly those things. So people are turning their knowledge into digital guides, mini courses, templates, and ebooks. Once created, these products can sell again and again. This is what many people call digital leverage. You create something once, and it continues working for you. Not every side hustle requires months of learning. Some people start with micro-freelancing, small online tasks like writing captions, simple editing, research work, or virtual assistants. These jobs may start small, but they help you build experience and confidence. And often, one small job leads to another. Now, let's be honest about something. Side hustles are not magic. They require effort, sometimes months of learning, sometimes several failed attempts. But the difference is this: you're building something for yourself, not just trading time for money. You're creating options, and that changes everything. The real goal of a side hustle is not just money, it's freedom. Freedom to handle unexpected expenses, freedom to learn new skills, freedom to slowly build a life where your income doesn't depend on one single paycheck, and that's powerful. The biggest mistake people make is waiting for the perfect moment. But the truth is, there is no perfect moment. The people succeeding with side hustles today all started the same way, with a simple decision: let me try. Small steps, small progress, and over time, those small efforts can grow into something meaningful. So if you've been thinking about starting a side hustle, maybe this is your sign. Start small, stay consistent, and build something that works for your future. If this video gave you new ideas, press the like button so more people can discover these opportunities, and subscribe if you want to learn more about money, productivity, and building smarter income streams. I'll see you in the next video.